guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome myself back to my channel. Where have I been? I feel like I haven't videoed in a while, and I was talking to my friend Lisa of Lisa Loves Bags through Instagram chat, and she was like, how come you stopped your channel? I'm like, I didn't. I just don't film as much as I used to because I feel like so much has been going on in my life, and I just really did kind of lose heart because whatever is going on with my channel, every time I gain 30, 40 subscribers, then bam, they're gone. And it just kind of caused me to lose heart, but I don't want to stop filming because I do love coming on here and sharing things with you guys and, you know, getting feedback from you guys. And I've been on here for 7 years and my channel's tiny, but that's okay. I do it really because I love it, but I haven't stopped. And Lisa, if you're watching, hi. So I am here today with a triple, yes, a triple Coach unboxing. When is the last time I did something like that? And I have a beautiful new jacket to share with you guys. I just have a lot of stuff, you guys. I've been terrible this year. I just don't think Santa's gonna come see me. I don't think he's gonna come see me this year, you guys, because I've been terrible, and I thought, I have been so terrible, why not just finish the year out, you know, like a bad girl. But anyway, guys, if you want to see what all I have to share with you, and it's a lot of stuff, stick around. All right, before I forget, I will share with you my bag of the week. Yes, I carry my bags all week, unless for some reason I have to change them, and then on the weekends I change. But this is my bag of the week. This is the bag that Keith got for me when we were in Italy. And I got one last year when we were in Italy, and for some reason he wanted to take me to Gucci and get me another one, and I love this. These are my favorite type bags. The Marmont, you guys, is a classic. I don't care what some of the YouTubers or so-called influencers say. It's a classic bag. I absolutely love it. I love the green color that he chose for me. It's very malleable, so if you've ever considered a bag like this, do not hesitate. You would absolutely love it. Okay. We are going to go into the Coach unboxing because I am so stoked to share with you guys some of the stuff I've gotten. I just want to see it myself. All right, the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is in this box, okay? And I'm going to open it up. True unboxing. I'm super stoked about this item. Super stoked. I have been a naughty girl this year, but you know what? It's been a lot of fun. All right, let me pull this box out and share with you what I got. Yes, they're a pair of Coach shoes. Actually, I'll make a confession. I have some very similar to these, and I love them so much that I went back and got this pair. Let me pull them out of the box, get it ready, and share with you what shoes that I got. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I got the black leather Mary Janes. I do have the Mary Janes in the signature C. The only thing that gives them away that they're Coach is right here. I thought, I wear black all the time. I love a Mary Jane, and I love the other pair, so I thought, I have to have these. And I can't remember what I paid for them, but I got them from Coach Outlet. They are so soft and so squishy on the inside. The other pair that I got were just comfortable right out of the box, and I've worn them quite a few times, and I just love the way the leather, it's, you guys, there is no leather like Coach leather. I mean, I can tell you that because I have leather from Louis Vuitton and leather from Gucci, but Coach leather, there's just something special about it. And you know, I know the Coach prices have went up, and they're going to continue to do that, but they're still at a reasonable price point. I can't remember what I paid for these, but I will link them if they're still available, and I believe they are. But you guys, grab you a pair of Mary Janes. You will not regret it. So yeah, just a basic little Mary Jane. This next item makes me want to squeal. This is my favorite, all-time favorite print from Coach, you guys. You know that I am crazy about the cherries, and there's still items that I don't have from that drop, and so this is one of them, and I already have my eyes on a couple others, and I'm just gonna grab them, you guys, because while they're available, why not, if you're as crazy about cherries as I am. So I'm stoked about this. Now I got this from Coach, not the outlet. I got it from Coach. And I was excited because I thought, oh my gosh, I have never seen a little Coach box like this, and you better believe that I'm going to keep this box. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the box. Forget what's inside of it. And when I said squeal, I don't mean squeal as in deliverance squeal, okay? Okay. I got the wristlet. Look at the beauty. Oh my gosh. Because you guys, when I get a Neverfull, I always keep my little pouches, and I thought I'm just going to get it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And of course, the ones from Coach, they have the little, well, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but they have the little shimmery, like little glittery shimmers on the cherries. This is gorgeous. I'm also going to go get the zippy card case, like the Louis Vuitton wallet I have. I love any kind of a zippy wallet, so I think I'm going to go back and get that. And then there's a makeup pouch. I'm going to just collect all the cherry stuff that I can get my little hands on. So let me get it out of this box. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love you. And what I love about it, and I may go back and get a black one because I love pouches, but what I really love about it, if I don't want to just carry it as a wristlet, which I will a lot, when I want to just carry it as a catch-all, all you have to do is take it off. And that's what I don't like about certain pouches, when this is stuck on there. I love it. It's so cute. So, so cute. Ah, and I will use it a lot, not just in the summer. And I know some people might think, oh, it's more of a summer type of thing, but not for me, you guys. I love it. And I'm trying to add more red into my life as well. So I'm obsessed, you guys. You know what I'm hoping? I'm hoping that maybe for spring that Coach will come out with a whole new cherry drop with a lot of new styles. And there were a pair of shoes that I did not get, and I was thinking about them the other day, just like little kitten heels slide-on shoes. I don't remember what they were called, and I wish I would have gotten them. And so that's why I started buying up some of these things, and I have a few more things to get that is still readily available. So that's what made me think, I love it so much, just go ahead and get it. Because I just, not that I'm never, because I would never say I'm never buying more Gucci or Louis, because I am. But less. Because I find just as much joy and happiness out of something like this than luxury. I really do, because for me this is luxury, and it's not cheap, you guys, but it is still affordable, and that's what I really appreciate. But I really love this piece. This would be a great gift, especially the fact, because it does come in this beautiful box, and I was really thrilled to see this. All right, all right. I got a bag. I got a bag, a Coach bag. It's a small bag, but I'm really excited. And I do have other bags like this. It is a tabby, so it's wrapped up really good. But you know what? I don't know if the bag is wonky or it's just the way it's wrapped up, because it looks wonky right here. So you guys, fingers crossed that it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys. The color. It's the color. And I see a little bit of it, and that's what got me on this bag. I could have got the 26, but I went with the 20. So let's go ahead and unveil her, okay? It's the Black Currant. Oh my gosh. Oh, she looks fabulous. Fabulous. I think she looks fabulous. Let's go ahead and just get all this off before I talk anymore. Bam. Bam. I love this color. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous with the gold. I love it, you guys. And see what I'm saying? Oh, I'm just so giddy over this. I think the reason I get like this with Coach is because it is affordable. I mean, it's expensive, but it's affordable. It's not $3,000. It was $350. $350. Now the larger one is $550. And I think that this bag is just as good as this bag. I really do. Well then, Yota, why do you buy these bags? Because I love them. And I'm a brand hoe, okay? I am a brand hoe, and I do love this with the champagne hardware. Gorgeous. But I love this just as much. Just as much. As I was saying, my card was full. I just wanted to say that yes, I have sold a good bit of Coach bags that I've purchased. Nothing like this. Nothing that's classic. I still have all of my tabbies, and I kind of want to start a tabby collection. Now, I've been looking at the new tabbies, the limited edition ones, and I like some of them I'm just not crazy about. I think I just like the plain tabbies better. Now, that black one with all the crystals on it, I would buy that in a heartbeat if it didn't have C's on it. And I don't mind the signature, you know, Coach. What am I trying to say? I don't mind the signature C's. I just don't like it on that bag. If that bag were solid black with the C, the silver shiny C, I would buy that in a minute. I just don't like it. I think it's too busy. That's my personal opinion. I liked the one that looked like a tiger, brown and black. I've considered that one. I also like the denim one. I think Dee Dee Bean got it, and I like that one. And I'm not really a denim girl, and I don't even have a denim tabby, but I've been wanting a denim bag, and I might think about that one. I don't just love most of those bags. The two I like the best, like I said, was the brown, the beaded one, the brown and black one, like a tiger. And and I do like the denim one. I think it's really pretty. So I think I like to stick to classic tabbies, but I may get the denim one. Not sure. I'm just thinking about it right now. So yeah, I have sold a lot of Coach, but not classic Coach. And that's what I think I need to just stick with from now on, other than the cherries, but to me that's classic as well. But that's my Coach haul, you guys. I'm coming out to reveal the next item. Look at this jacket. Look at this jacket. How glam is this? I love it. I love it. I got it at Walmart, and it is a Jessica Simpson brand. It was $60 at Walmart. Let me show you. And I absolutely love it. They had this one, and they had kind of like that bag I was talking about, a tiger print. But I love this one. I thought it suited me. And I love the white. I just love this pattern, you guys. And it's so funny because my cousin and I, we were shopping the other night, and she said, this looks just like you. And she picked it up, and I said, I just bought it last week. But it's very warm, and it's so cute. It's got little pockets here on the side. And fur is really in. Faux fur, you guys, is really in. I remember back in the day, my mom was like, oh, she had minks. But I would never, I do have my mom's minks, but I would never purchase one. And back in the day when she was younger, that was kind of the glam thing to do. But I'm so glad now that faux furs are in and, you know, more acceptable, because it just makes me feel better wearing it. And I just think this is just beautiful. I would hate to think that a little animal had to die for me to look this good. Couldn't buy a real fur. So there's so many beautiful faux furs out there, and this one, like I said, Walmart, you guys. Walmart has really stepped up their game when it comes to clothes and things like that. So I absolutely love it, and I got this in a size, I think it's a medium. Let me see. Medium, yes, and it's by Jessica Simpson. She's always put out some really pretty things. I remember when I was young, and her shoes, those big tall shoes, they were like platforms. girl, I had so many of those. So many. When Keith and I first started dating, he's like, do you not have any tennis shoes or flats? I'm like, no, this is all I wear. And that really was all I wore back then. We went to New York City. He said, I'm buying you some tennis shoes. I was like, no. But I was all about the Jessica Simpson platforms back in the day. But I love that jacket, you guys. It's really pretty and it's quite warm. All right, guys. I decided my last item, I'm just going to do another video because I have some other stuff to show you guys. And I don't like my videos to be too long. So I think I've shown you quite enough on this video. I'm just so excited, you guys, for all these Coach items. I love Coach. I really do. I just think Coach is just the best. So I will be sure and link all this stuff, you guys, because they are all fabulous gifts. If I got these for Christmas gifts, I would be so excited. I actually kind of did because, yeah, I did splurge and it's kind of my Christmas from me to me. I'm not really planning on making a big purchase for myself. I think I've made enough. I've done enough damage this year, like I said, and I haven't really asked Keith for anything in particular except one item, and I'm not going to share that because I'm pretty sure he got it. I don't know. I just wasn't into anything luxury this year at all. Just not feeling it. I thought maybe I would get some of the, is it the Elves, the new Louis Vuitton fragrance? But I have so many fragrances, I really don't need that as well. So I didn't ask for anything like that. I did ask for one item and I don't know, I'm just not feeling the luxury right now. I mean, like I said, this is luxury. How pretty is this? And it looks good with what I'm wearing. And I'm obsessed with this color. I will say this, you guys, those, what do they call those frame bags with the, you know, kiss locks. I love those bags. I might get a small one, but what I'm holding out for is to see if they come out with a medium, because the big one is really, really big and the small one is quite small. I would love to have one of those bags, and I would love to have it either in black or this color. Maybe black, I don't know. But I wish it were a larger size. I feel like the small one's a little too small. It would be great for a party or something like that, but I wouldn't use it much. And then the large one, to me, the large ones look odd. Like, I think they're too big for that style, but that's my opinion, you guys. If you love it and you have it, that's great. I mean, they're fabulous bags. I just wish that they would come out with a medium size in that beautiful frame kiss lock bag. Anyway, I'm rambling and that's all I have for you guys. I'm not sitting at my desk because it's a mess in here. I have not decorated for Christmas in here. And am I doing Vlogmas? I might do some Vlogmas style videos and try to do a few more, but not real. I do hot mess Vlogmas, okay? YotaStyle. That's what I do. So I'll do that and try to upload every week, maybe twice, who knows. If me and Keith get in the kitchen, if I make some Greek cookies or something like that, I will film that as well. But anyway, that's really all I have for you guys. I love my new bag. I love everything I got. Let me know what is your favorite thing. And what's your favorite tabby? And out of that collection they came out with, the limited edition, what is your favorite? Or do you not have a favorite? I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go downstairs, spend some time with Keith, and I will see you again really, really soon. Peace.